Hello, this is Nishant from Examerly. In this video, we will be talking about the different courses of Masters of Economics that you can do from different colleges, universities, and faculties across India. So, in this video, we'll be discussing a list of the different master's courses in economics that people can do. This list is going to be useful for people who have done their graduation from economics and also for people who've done their graduation maybe from some other field but want to switch over to economics. So we'll be talking about the top colleges or faculties where you can do economics from and also what will be the pattern of the exam. So let's start with DSE or Delhi School of Economics. So to apply for DSE, you need 60% marks in your graduate or postgraduate degree. In the exam, you'll have 40 questions, which will be of 120 marks, that is plus 3 for each question. And there will also be negative marking of -1 per wrong answer. The syllabus for this exam will consist of only economics at the graduate level. Next, we'll talk about JNU. So to apply for the master's course in economics in JNU, you need 50% marks in your graduation. The pattern of JNU was changed in 2019. Since then, JNU has been conducting an online MCQ-based test for entrance to its master's course. The syllabus of the course consists of economics knowledge of bachelor's level. There will be 100 questions, but here there is one catch. All the questions will not be of the same marks. There will be a variable weightage. So just keep this in mind. Next, we'll come to HCU or Hyderabad Central University. So here, if you are an economics grad, you need 50% marks in your graduation. If you are a graduate from any other stream other than economics, then you need 60% marks in your graduation to be able to apply. The entrance of Hyderabad University consists of 100 questions, 50 questions from aptitude, that is English comprehension, reasoning, logical reasoning, as well as quant. And the other 50 questions will consist of graduate level knowledge of economics. Last, in this video, we'll be talking about BHU. So for the BHU entrance, you have to have a graduate degree from any stream. You need 50% marks in your graduation. BHU changed its pattern again in 2020. Now they'll be conducting the test where there'll be 120 questions consisting entirely of the graduate level knowledge of economics. And this test will be of 3 hours and 360 marks. So that's it for now for this video. In the next video, we'll be talking about some other courses that you can go for in economics. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe our video. Thank you.